Good morning. Today is Saturday, December 21. Everybody is home because today is Saturday. Wala kaming pasok. Nandito kami lahat. Maaga gumising si Ate Leit Dabong because they have part sa simbahan today. May church kami today and maaga sila pupunta ng church. Kami mahuhuli kami kasi si Sayon ay tulog pa. So, mauna si Dabong at Ate Lei. Naliligo na si Dabong sa Ate Lei tapos nang maligo. Gising na rin kami. Si Zion na lang ang tulog pa. Si Arve gising na din. I'll be cooking breakfast for us. And magluluto ako ng mashed potato kay Zion. Magpa-fried rice ako. 7:30 na. So, magluluto na tayo ng breakfast para makapag-ready na for church. So, breakfast is ready, guys. Meron tayong bacon. We have this sunny side up fried rice and Zion's mashed potato. So, ready na tayo for breakfast and then magbibihis lang kami and mag-go to church.
What should I start?
You eat banana as well, ha? So, you have fruit.
Oh my god, what should I start?
Mashed potato. Really hard to decide. Yum. We are ready for church. Nasa car na kami, guys. And then si Zion, Pogi.
Hello.
Naka all brown. Hi, Daddy. Happy Sabbath. Ako naman naka pink. Pink ng Sabado. Baby, maingay. Lower. So, papunta na kami, guys, sa church. Sila Ate Lay. Nauna na, guys. Tapi yung sunglass ko. Nauna na sila Ate Lay sa church at si Dabong. Nagpa-practice sila doon ng kanilang play. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys. Plus ngayon, Daddy. Anong temperature ngayon? +1. Ang ganda ngayon. Today is December 21. Dito na kami, guys, sa church. Kararating lang namin. Dito na kami sa parking lot. Dito kami, guys, sa gym. Dumaan bukas kasi. Sayon. Pogi naman yan. May dala pa siyang pang-color. Daming tao siguro, no? Naka-prepare lahat ng table, oh. Daming tao. Ate Lay, oh. Mag-breakfast ka? Ha? Anong kinain niyo? Ha? Alin? Anong kinain niyo?
Bagel and hot chocolate.
Oh, nagdala pa ako ng rice.
Look, it's the baby.
Yan yung baby
Kulay
mo.
pink.
Si Mary ka.
Oo.
Kulay pink talaga. Let's go inside.
What is it? Kind. So it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down? A thumbs up. Okay. Next. Wow. What's this? Oh, can you read it for me? Faithful. So do we need to be faithful so we can enter the gates of heaven? Yes. Good job.
Well, I am the Lord's servant, so may it be to me as you just said. So, that was Angel Gabriel. He's an angel and he has come to talk to Mary. Mary seems really happy to see Elizabeth. And just think, Elizabeth was going to have a baby in her old age. It was a miracle.
Ano yung taking? Yes,
Then, but they still missed him today. Maybe it's because they aren't really looking for the Messiah.
Kakarating na namin, guys, galing ng simbahan. Kami pa lang dito, si Daddy at si Zion. Magluluto ako ng leche flan kasi merong Christmas party sila Ate Lay, yung mga youth. So tayo magluluto ng leche flan kasi yun yung ambag nila. Ala! Wala palang repolyo. Tawagan mo nga, daan ka mo sila bili ng repolyo para sa chapchain ni Bongbong. Hindi nga.
Pwede ka magpasabay?
Ayun, saan sila pupunta?
Malingki.
Doon. Yung, bayaran na lang sila. Sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Magluluto mo pa ako.
Pagsabat?
Daiwasan daw sa bata. Naman ang by Jess.
You know how to call, ate?
So, this is our ito pala yung outfit natin sa church, guys. Naka-pink. Pink talaga ako. Naka-pink ng coat. Sa Shein to, guys. And then sa thrift store. Ito sa thrift store din to, pero Shein. Ito sa thrift store din yung coat ko. Kulay pink. Luto muna tayo bago mag ano. Wait. Kasi for yung Christmas party nila Ate Lay, ng mga youth, and time check is 3 o'clock. So, sakto lang guys. Kasi 1 hour ko niluluto yung ano, yung leche flan. Nag-vlog tayo.
Come here, baby.
Mag-overnight din yata yung mga... Sa dagat kasi eh. Baka sa gabi natutuyo. Abong is busy, nagluluto ng chapchae.
Mom, we never fight like that. Mom, we never fight like that.
We're done cooking, guys, at ihatid pa namin yan sa malayong puok. Malayo, doon yung Christmas party nila Ate Lay. Tapos na yung leche flan, ready to go.
What about Rumba?
Ha?
Rumba.
Dito lang yun, si Rumba. Naglilinis yan si Rumba.
What if
So,
we
ihatid
get
mo namin.
stuck?
No, hayaan mo siya mas-stop.
What if there's something electric?
Wala eh.
Okay, I saw there was something
Oh,
electric.
so sila Ate Lay, nauna na sila si Dabong. And ready na yung leche flan. Magdala siya, guys.
What's electric?
Leche flan.
What's electric?
Leche one.
What's
So,
electric?
paalis na kami, guys. Punta na kami doon. Time check is mag 6:45. Alas 7 yung Christmas party nila. So, hatid namin doon. Nauna sila kasi hindi na nila maantay. Ang tagal kasi yan, 1.5 hour kung niluto.
Mom,
So, we are ready to go. Leche flan, Sai. I don't know, hindi mo rin alam.
what's a Lexi fan?
Si Sayon ready na. Leche flan is dessert.
No fan.
Ewan ko sa'yo, walang fan. Dali na. Ay, bahala ka.
Ah! Ah!
Zip up mo yung
No
jacket.
zip it. I don't know how. Mom, what if you don't have food?
Nobody loves you. So, let's go, guys. Let's go, people. Palis na kami. Asa si Daddy? Kumuha ng sasakyan. Kinuha lang ni Arbil yung sasakyan, guys. Ha?
Mom, when I crying, say Queen never cry.
The Queen never cry?
Yeah, Queen never cry when I'm crying.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Who's the Queen?
Queen never cry.
You bring the other phone.
Oh, you bring this one.
It's Loba.
Yeah. Si Rumba naglilinis, nagba-vacuum. Diyan lang siya. Itigil naman siya guys pag natapos ng mag-vacuum. Pang walang tao, iwanan lang namin dyan. So, alis na kami. Bye, house. Magbabalot pa ako ng gift. Hindi ko pa nabalot. Bye, house. Nandun na sila Zion sa sasakyan. Ay, doon na sila Arbil sa sasakyan. Haha. Sai, open the ano. Doon na lang sa kabila. Okay, open. Ay, kandong ko na lang. Baka mag-slide. At sumabog. Close the gate. Go. Dito na kami guys. Naantay lang namin sa Atilay lumabas. Next ko na siya. Lalabas na yun. Are you okay, Zay? Bibili kaming scotch tape. Magbabalot ako ng gift.
I thought we were going to the mall
Ha? Close na ang mall lang guys.
because we were going very far.
Very far. Nila Atilay, kumakanta pa daw sila. Ay, antok na ako ng oras sa dad. 7:30. 7:30 na guys. Kung babalot, hindi ko pa natapos balutin ang gift. Nakuha na ni Atilay guys.
Superstore and dollar store.
Pauwi na kami. Yeah. Superstore na kami guys. Meron daw si ng ano doon, ugly sweater, hindi na ako bibili. Kay Sam, color white naman.
No, it's plastic.
It's plastic nga.
Plastic.
Let's go buy. Dami yung kinong ano dado, yung potato chips.
Yeah.
Tara, let's go buy food.
No, it's the chip. Like, remember the chips I was asking for Ati, but she didn't give me? Like the downtown one?
Oh, that's the one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I always.
Oh, that's the one you're asking for. Okay.
Legos. How much is it? 37.
That's expensive. Ay, ang cute dad, oh. 30. Mahal?
Mom,
Ay, ganda ng ano.
can we get this? It's only 69.
Ha? That's expensive. It's only 69. Let's go buy food. Where's Dada? Ito maganda oh sa corner. Ang cute. Where's Daddy? Dispenser magkano? Ayan.
Bukas to kasi oh.
Ay sira.
Ito mayroon isa.
Ito yung magandang lagayan ng fruits na doon sa corner. Doon sa corner?
Maliit naman.
Can I get smelly markers?
No.
No, it smells. It's markers that. Whoa. Mom, you don't need a printer for this.
We have a lot of printers.
Gusto mo mami ito?
Magkano?
8 ito?
Oh, tara.
Or 7?
Ayan, maliit lang. Come here.
It's water.
Water ano lang to? Water carbonated.
What cardboard?
Tingnan mo guys, nasa bahay na kami. Bumili si Sayan ng watermelon. Ano to?
Soda.
Soda. Parang water carbonated yata. Ito na may flavor lang ng watermelon.
You need
Yan.
water.
Watermelon na carbonated nga, Daddy.
It's really good, bro.
Mm,
It's really
carbonated.
Sarap naman yung mga pag...
Ayaw niya. Do you like it? Ayaw na kami, guys. So, konti lang na pamili namin.
Good, I'm drinking beer.
Beer daw kasi. Parang lasinggero siguro to.
Is this beer? Look.
No, it's not. Meron kaming chips.
Yeah, my favorite. Open.
Inside.
Daddy, open.
You already opened one,
No,
right?
it's very good. I know.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very good.
What's that? Cabbage.
Cabbage. I never eat it.
And another. Lapit mo, Dad. Another potato chips.
Another potato chips.
Bumili kami itong almond na ano.
Ma?
Ito, wait.
Almond. I wanna try.
Almond beer?
Almond?
Beer.
I wanna
Ayun,
try.
almond
Mom,
bread.
please, could I try? I like almond.
Try it. And Pokemon Zion Nut Cookie. Ayun, masarap to, guys. Kukwa siya, oh. Hindi siya ganun katamis.
Scissors.
And we buy cooking oil. And also another chips. And pancit canton. Grabe, ang mahal ng bilihin ngayon dito, guys. Alam mo ba, magkano to lahat? Konti lang, $60. Bumili kami ng mayonnaise. Kasi ayaw ni Sayo ng Japanese mayonnaise. Meron si Ate Lay.
Because I'm always Canadian.
Always Canadian. And dispenser ng Scotch tape. At bumili kami ng ano. At
Pancit.
dalawang kanton.
No, that's pancit
Pang-pansit.
canton.
Pang-pansit. Yan lang, guys. Alam mo magkano yun lahat? $60. Yep. No. You have to ano. I-an natin. Akin na.
That's fine. Look,
I-slice. Tikman niya daw yung almond bread.
because I really love almond, right?
Asus?
Right?
You really love almond?
Almond chocolate. Anything that's almond.
Anything about almond?
Where's the almond? There's only one almond.
Just try first. No?
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
Do you like it?
Just tastes like bread. Oh,
Of
what's
course
the part?
Oh, there's inside.
Peanut butter.
Hmm?
Mmm.
It tastes good with the with the watermelon soda.
Mmm.
Do you like
Maganda
it?
rin.
Masarap. May laman siya eh. May feeling siya, Dad.
And nobody finished my potato chips or even Ate Leia double. Anybody.
Ano?
This is ours.
Ano inside? Oo, yung drink. Mahulog. Oh, try it.
Ito, mami.
Yeah. Magbabalot
Try-
ako ngayon, guys, ng ano.
I'm gonna
Magbabalot.
try with
Ay,
almond.
here. A lot. Nahulog. Gusto niyo daw may almond. Oh. Let's eat, people. Yan yung naming ulam. Giniling na beef na may patatas, na may carrots, na may raisin, bell pepper, tapos tomato sauce. Yan, guys. Kain tayo. That's a lot of rice, Mandy. Masarap yung soda na yan. Ayaw mo, Dada? Yung carbonated water? Gamot yan sa ano?
It's 30 na.
Ay, yun naman niya. Yung carbonated water, gamot yan sa acid.
Hmm? Kaya pala yung may mga machine na
Nagbo-burp ka kasi?
yung sparkling
Mm.
water.
Mm.
Sa acid pala yan.
Mm. Sinabayan ako dati ang katrabaho ko na
Mom,
puti. Yan daw ginagamot niya.
is it good for me?
Mm.
What is it for?
Or not.
For bacteria? Acid?